The 10 best fragrant indoor plants that smell amazing and are perfect for homes, bedrooms, or workspaces. These plants add not just greenery, but natural fragrance to your indoor air. No synthetic air fresheners needed. Cherry blossom. 10 best fragrant indoor plants that smell good. 1. Jasmine. Jasminum species. Blossom scent sweet. Floral and exotic sparkles. Best for living rooms, sunny windows. Care tips: needs bright indirect sunlight. Water regularly, but don't overwater. Support with a small trellis. If it's a climbing variety, Gardenia. Gardenia Jasminoides. Blossom scent. Strong, romantic, and creamy. Sweet sparkles, best for bedrooms or near entryways. Care tips: loves humidity and bright, indirect light. Keep soil moist but well drained. May need occasional misting. 3. Lavender. Lavandula species blossom scent. Calming, herbaceous, and floral sparkles. Best for bedrooms or meditation spaces. Care tips: needs full sun and good airflow. Let soil dry slightly between waterings. Use a pot with drainage holes. 4. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, cinerea, or baby blue blossom scent. Fresh, minty, and energizing sparkles. Best for bathrooms or study areas. Care tips: needs bright light and good airflow. Water when topsoil feels dry. Can be pruned to encourage bushier growth. 5. Lemon balm. Melissa officinalis blossom scent. Light lemony fragrance sparkles. Best for kitchen or desk areas. Care tips: prefers bright indirect sunlight. Keep soil slightly moist. Harvest leaves often for best scent. 6. Mint mentha species blossom scent cool. Crisp and refreshing sparkles. Best for kitchens or near windows. Care tips: bright light. Moist, rich soil grows fast. Prune often to keep in shape. Great for tea or garnishes, too. 7. Orchid. Certain fragrant varieties like Brassavola or Oncidium. Blossom scent varies floral. Spicy or citrusy. Sparkles best for decor-focused indoor areas. Care tips: indirect, bright light. Water weekly, avoid soggy roots. Some need humidity or misting. East Angelus trumpet. Brugmansia dwarf indoor variety. Blossom scent sweet and intoxicating, especially in the evening. Sparkles best for large, well-ventilated rooms. Care tips: needs sun and warmth. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Note: toxic if ingested. Keep away from kids' pets. Non-scented geraniums, pelargonium species. Blossom scent lemon rose. Mint or even chocolate depending on variety. Sparkles best for windowsills or balconies. Care tips: love sun and dry soil. Water when topsoil dries. Rub leaves gently to release scent. 10. Stephanotis Madagascar Jasmine blossom scent. Delicate, sweet, and wedding flower-like sparkles. Best for hallways or guest rooms. Care tips: bright light and consistent moisture. Provide a trellis for climbing. Protect from drafts and temperature changes. Thanks for watching this videos.